Universal Car Autos brings you in-depth reviews, the latest car news, future technology breakdowns, and full-spec details from every angle. The 2025 Mazda CX5 continues to uphold the brand's reputation for delivering a blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology in the compact SUV segment. With its refined design and a host of features, the CX5 remains a strong contender for those seeking a versatile and engaging driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 CX5 offers a choice of two engines. The standard 2.5-liter Skyactiv inline-4 engine produces 187 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 186 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. For those desiring more power, the turbocharged 2.5-liter variant delivers up to 256 horsepower at 5,000 revolutions per minute and 320 pound-feet of torque at 2,500 revolutions per minute when using premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a Skyactiv drive 6-speed automatic transmission and come with all-wheel drive as standard. Fuel efficiency is commendable, with the base engine achieving an estimated 24 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. The turbocharged version offers slightly lower figures, at 22 mpg city and 27 mpg highway. These numbers ensure that the CX5 remains economical for daily commuting and long-distance travel. The exterior design of the 2025 CX5 showcases Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, emphasizing sleek lines and a dynamic stance. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by LED headlights, while the rear is adorned with LED taillights and dual exhaust outlets. Available exterior colors include Soul Red Crystal Metallic, Machine Gray Metallic, and Rhodium White Metallic, among others. Inside, the CX5 offers a premium cabin with seating for 5 passengers. High-quality materials, such as available leather upholstery and wood trim accents, contribute to an upscale ambiance. The front seats are designed for comfort and support, with available heating and ventilation functions. Rear passengers benefit from ample legroom and optional heated seats. The infotainment system features a 10.25-inch display controlled via a rotary knob on the center console. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration come standard, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. Higher trims offer a Bose premium audio system with 10 speakers, providing an immersive listening experience. Additional tech features include a wireless charging pad, navigation system, and a head-up display. Safety is a paramount concern for Mazda, and the 2025 CX5 is equipped with a suite of advanced safety features. Standard driver assistance technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to enhance driver awareness and reduce the risk of collisions. The CX5's chassis is engineered for a balance of comfort and agility. The front suspension utilizes McPherson struts with coil springs and a stabilizer bar, while the rear features an independent multi-link setup. This configuration ensures a smooth ride over various road surfaces and responsive handling in corners. The vehicle's steering is electrically assisted, providing precise control and feedback. Cargo capacity is practical for daily use and weekend getaways. With the rear seats upright, the CX5 offers 30.8 cubic feet of cargo space. Folding the 40/20/40 split rear seats expands the capacity to 59.3 cubic feet, accommodating larger items with ease. Additional storage solutions include a cargo tray, net, and retractable cover. The 2025 CX5 is available in multiple trims, each offering a distinct set of features to cater to different preferences and budgets. From the well-equipped base model to the luxurious top-tier variants, buyers can select the configuration that best suits their needs. Optional packages allow for further customization, enabling drivers to tailor the vehicle to their specific requirements. In summary, the 2025 Mazda CX5 combines performance, comfort, and advanced technology in a stylish and compact package. Its array of features and safety systems make it a strong contender in the luxury SUV market. Thank you for tuning into Universal Car Autos for this comprehensive overview of the 2025 Mazda CX5. If you found this review informative and engaging, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Your support enables us to continue delivering in-depth automotive content and the latest industry insights. Stay connected for more reviews, and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.